If I were to give you a jigsaw puzzle in a brown paper bag, you'd be able to figure it out, but it would take a lot of time. You'd start with the borders and define your edges. Then through trial and error, you'd figure out what fit where. Life's like that too. But if you had that same puzzle with the picture of what it was supposed to look like in the end, you'd be able to advance through it much faster. That's what networking is. Networking is about understanding how all the pieces relate and how all the pieces fit together. So here's what you do. Step back, take a big picture look, always ask yourself, what is the cover? What is the landscape? What is this supposed to look like? That's how to effectively network. So, ask people, ask your friends, ask your boss, understand the lay of the land, read your trade publications, find out who's who, make mental notes. How are people related? Who do they work for? Who do they know? That way, when you meet them, you already have an idea and understanding of how all the pieces fit together.